Understanding the phrase, spare the time, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, spare the time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your language skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, spare the time, refers to the ability or willingness to allocate some of your time for a particular activity or person. It implies that despite being busy, one is making an effort to find time for something additional. For instance, saying, "Can you spare the time to help me?" is like asking if someone can find a little time in their busy schedule to assist. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. Despite her busy schedule, she always spares the time to read to her kids at night. I'm not sure if I can spare the time for a meeting tomorrow. These sentences show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express the act of finding or not being able to find extra time. The phrase can be slightly altered while retaining its meaning. For example, "Can you find the time to call me? He couldn't make the time for the gym today." These variations convey a similar meaning but may sound more natural in certain situations. Be careful not to confuse spare the time with spare time. Spare time refers to free time or leisure time, which is different from actively finding time for something. Try creating your own sentences using spare the time. It's a great way to reinforce your understanding. Additionally, listen for this phrase in movies, songs, or conversations to see how it's used naturally. That's all for today. Remember, phrases like spare the time are key to sounding more fluent and natural in English. I hope this video helps you in your learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you next time.